everyone, I'm Tina and welcome to Lakeshore Academy. Today I want to talk to you about a math supplement. One of my new subscribers has asked me about doing several different videos for her. Um, and I wrote your name down and I'm so sorry I don't remember. I think her name was Elizabeth. And if I'm wrong with the name, I'm so sorry. But she has several different good questions. Um, about how do I feel or what do I suggest for things that you can use for supplements for math. And she had other subjects too, but for right now, I'm just going to talk about a game that I really, really like that was donated to my family from Check Academy. You guys, if you can get this game, it would help you so much with math concepts, basic math concepts, and it makes it fun. And it will go great with multiplication games, the Thinking Tree Journal. It's called Math Squared. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this, but you can get it from Scholar's Choice. And it's just a simple game that helps children to learn addition and multiplication facts. And it's just amazing. Let me show it to you. This is how it looks. It's like a reversible side wooden board. On this side it is addition, and on this side it is multiplication. You have these pieces. You have dice. The red dice you use for the multiplication, and the white dice you use for the addition facts. So what you would do, you have your pieces, and I'm just going to say, I'm going to be green. And you're trying to get 3 in a row. So what you do, you take, let me turn on addition. If you're doing the addition side, you take the dice, you roll them, and it says, it has 8, if you can see it, 8 and 9 on top. So what you would do, you would look for the 8 on the board, on the top, and you'll look for the 9. And then where those two meet will be the answer. So as the child is saying it, they'll say 8 plus 7 equals 15. And then they will take their piece, or their little man, or whatever you want to call it, and they will put it on the answer. When the child actually gets 3 answers in a row or diagonally, they win the game. And they'll keep doing that over and over until they keep doing the facts. And as they're doing the facts, they recite it out loud at the same time. Now, multiplication. This is the one that most people have trouble with, multiplication. This is such a fun way to do multiplication without even trying. So, if you're looking for a way, I'm trying to hide from my husband, LOL. Tracy, why? If you're so if you need help with multiplication, and most of us have children that for some strange reason, oh, because you're gonna buy it, girl, you a miss. So what you actually do is that this multiplication squares, what you do, you take the red dice, and the dice go up to number 12. So you roll it, and it has 6 times 6. So you find the 6, and the 6 on the top, and then you find the 6 on the bottom, and your child, as they say 6 times 6 equals, and they find it, 36. And they put the piece on the board. And then they do the same thing. They just keep finding multiplication tables, and then they do it. And then when they get the diagonal in a row, 3 in a row, whether it's diagonal or straight on the row, they're learning math. And say, for example, they're using, I don't know whether or not you guys are using Thinking Tree multiplication games. This will go great with it. So when they're doing those charts, you can easily pull this out and use it with your Thinking Tree multiplication game. Even if you're not using that, they're doing simpler multiplication. Instead of pulling out a worksheet or whatever, if you find that they're real stressed out, you can just pull this out and they can actually do it. And I'm going to show you a little trick. This can even double as fractions. I'm going to show you a little trick. If you look at the first two rows, 1 and 2, if you notice, it's showing all the equivalent or equivalent fractions to 1/2. So it simplifies. So you see 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, 5/10. You see it's all equivalent fractions to the top. So it's going to double as fractions too, even down to the bottom. Fractions to the bottom. If you separate 11/12, 22/24, fractions and multiplication at the same time. So you can show your kids those little neat little math tricks with this. My son and daughter, especially my son, because we played this over and over and over and over, and he never got tired of it. I even like it because as you roll the dice, it's telling you the answer, and the answer is always on the board, so it's less stressful for the child because they know they don't have to try to figure it out. Because if they follow the dice, whatever they roll, they know that they automatically gonna find the answer. If you're looking for if you're looking for a less stressful way to do math, especially if you're having trouble with your children with multiplication, facts in general, and you're looking for a way to do it without them being so stressed, and you find a way to make it fun, you guys, this is amazing. Thank you, And the Check Academy. I love it. It is amazing. So Google it. Let me see. Let me show you one more time. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people at a time can play. These are the little pieces. Very, very simple game that can do a whole lot for your children. So instead of giving them a worksheet, I'm like, okay, we're gonna do our multiplication. We're gonna play a game. You don't even have to tell them. Tell the truth. You don't have to tell them. You can just do it with them, and they are gonna be having so much fun. You can start off with math if you want. I mean, addition, and then after that, multiplication. Easy peasy. So much fun. And this is how it looks. Let me hold it up again. Thank you for this, Tina. I love it. This is my first game review. I have a couple of games that I want to just share with you guys in separate videos. And so this is my very first one because I know that math is one of those. And being that one of my subscribers asked me specifically about supplements, this is one of my best supplements, I would say, for math, especially dealing with the multiplication tables. I absolutely love it. It's no planning on your behalf. You don't have to plan. It's not anything they have to figure out. All the answers are on the board. The dice tell them where to go, and they're saying it out loud, so it's making that mental note in their head. The 8 times 8 or 5 times 2 is 10, and they're seeing it and they're working with their hands. So it's hands-on, and it's also visual, and it's helping them to get that audio because they're saying it out loud as they're working these problems out. Absolutely love this game. So, if you're looking for something like this, and I'm not too sure how much it costs. Yeah, you can cover the answer, but if you don't want to cover the answer, you can just do it like this. And the Jack Academy said, if you want to make it more difficult, you can cover the answer. Yes, you can. So you can be creative. Tracy said, I love this. It will help my baby girl with her facts. Yes, it will. And it's fun. Who would have knew? I should have thought of this. But it's very, very simple. And it's a good, sturdy, it's wood. Real, real sturdy. So it's one of those things that is very, very durable. Even the wood pieces is very, very durable. So I think you guys will have a great time with this game, helping with multiplication facts, and in double on with the fractions as well. So this is Tina from Lakeshore Academy, just showing you one of my math supplements, which is, and the Czech Academy said puzzles. I do have some puzzles, but we haven't completed them yet. Puzzles is not, I need to do a 100 piece because and the Czech Academy sent us 300 pieces, and woo-wee! That's too much for us right now. So I need to get 100 piece. But puzzles are very, very good for math too. It stimulates the brain. But this is a good one, y'all. If you want to start with something easy that's not tedious or hard, that pretty much plays itself, this is a good one. So I'm going to cut this video off real quick, and I'm going to come back by because I almost was moved to tears when I looked at my mail today, and my husband brought down this big box, and Entrepreneurship Academy said this game is around $22. And one of my subscribers sent me a present. An amazing present. Something I always wanted. But I held off on it because I personally pay for the shipping of all the different things that I send out. So I was going to buy this and I had money set aside to buy it. However, I couldn't get both. I couldn't like send out my giveaways with the shipping thing that I really wanted so that I can keep sending out these giveaways that I love to do for you all to help make your homeschooling journey easier. And to my surprise, one of my subscribers sent me this, and I'm going to get it off and come back on and show you exactly what it is. I'll be right back if my internet worked right. So thank you guys for tuning in to this video, Math Squared. And I hope my new subscriber who asked for this video sees this. This is a great math supplement. Have a great day.